Cleaning your smoker is never fun, but it has to be done. Take care of your smoker, and your smoker will take care of you. Now, this is not a deep cleaning video. Deep cleaning video will come in the end of the year, end of the summer, or start of the summer somewhere. I do that once a year only, deep cleaning. This cleaning is after around 20 hours use of the smoker. Let's jump right in. I'm gonna keep this in real time so you can see how long it takes. First pro tip, if you want to remove this grate, always take out the right one first. It's easy to take out and easy to put in. Then, simple. Just remove the right one first. We're gonna remove all the grate first. For this cleaning, guys, you need a wooden spoon and a microfiber cloth. This is your best friend for cleaning, both on the horizontal smoker and the vertical. If you got the glass door, the microfiber cloth, then they remove everything. You don't even need anything else, just the cloth. Remove the grates. Put them on the side here for now. The heat deflector plate, and put it down here. And on the navigator 1150, I got this one full of pellet dust. Just throw it out. And this is done. You can put it on the side here. And you see under the smoker, you got a lot of grease here. This can cause a grease fire. If you got a lot of grease over here, this is where your grease fire gonna come. So we're gonna remove that first with the wooden spoon. You see how much grease that is? This is how much grease there is. I put it on the bucket. Next step, I'm gonna vacuum the Firepot. So use one of these ash vacuumers. Next tip is a pro tip. You want the smoker to start faster? Take one handful of pellets and put it in the Firepot. That way you're gonna get a quicker start. Next step is the heat deflector. You see there's a lot of leftover food on here. Just scrape it. Scrape it with your wooden spoon. That's the plate done. What I like to do is to squirt a little bit oil on it. If you got a spray is much better. Just like that. So just get a thin layer of oil. Both sides. I'm doing it both sides. This is better if you clean it once the grill is warm. And that's it. My heat plate is done. Next time you turn on the smoker, just let it go for 10 minutes and it will burn off. Let's recap this. First step, we remove the grease. Second step, we did vacuum. And we empty this one, put it back, and put back the heat deflector. The last thing we're gonna clean The grate. You see there's a lot of grease, some food, leftover food. Scrape it. Same wooden spoon. And scrape it. Most of the time, if it's warm out like today, you don't even need to scrape it. This is the magic. Microfiber cloud. Look at this. It just removes most of it. And you can reuse this 2-3 times. 3 times and you can change it. I like to scrape most of the grease first. That way my cloud lasts longer. Maybe lasts one more time. But look at this. It removes everything. Did you see that? It's so much better now. And once it's in the grill, we turn it on, leave it for 10 minutes. Everything gonna burn off. On the other side, a little bit more. Microfiber cloud is the best tips I can give you guys. See this hard part? You cannot use that. That's where the wooden spoon come in. And just like that, it's gone. You don't have to be perfect. That is good enough for me. I have seen a lot worse. Put it back and repeat on the other ones. Wooden spoon first, cloud after, and they will turn beautiful. This pit boss is almost 2 years now. My 1150 navigator. It still looks good. I have only done one deep cleaning on it so far. It's time for another one soon. If I do, I will post that video. You see? Just like that. I'm happy with that. Just like that. I am happy with that. Put it back and it's ready for next time. Last one. Barely need anything. We're gonna do it anyway. Just the cloud. It's easy to put it down. And that's it, guys. It is done. All the grates is cleaned. We vacuum it, we remove some grease, and this smoker is ready to use next time. On average, I think I spend 6 minutes to clean, to make the smoker ready for next time. It is absolutely necessary to do this, guys. 6-7 minutes of your life, you take care of your smoker, and your smoker won't get a grease fire. Even the Firepot, you have to vacuum that every time. Every time I do that, I don't do that cleaning every time, but I always empty my Firepot. That way the smoke is gonna start easier and you don't get fire out. If you got too much dust there, you will get a fire out. Imagine you do a brisket and 4-6 hours in, you go to sleep and you get a fire out. That's a lot of meat to lose. So always empty your Firepot. The grates is not that important, you see. It's already beautiful, ready to use next time. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.